Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. In my last video, I taught you about an example which was related to notice writing. Now in today's lecture, I am going to tell you about what is the definition of tense, okay, and after that I will tell you about how many kinds of tenses, okay. First of all, I am going to tell you about what is the definition of tense. Tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. Okay. To understand this definition in a better way, look at the board. First of all, now I am going to write what is the definition of tense. Tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also state of an action. Okay. Tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. Okay, that is the definition of tense. Okay. To understand this definition in a better way, I have three examples. Okay, look at the board. First example is he writes a letter. Okay. Second example is he wrote a letter. Okay. Third example is he will write a letter. Look these three sentences. What are the differences in these sentences? The only differences is of verbs. Okay. The part which is put in box, that is the difference in these three sentences. Okay. This is first form plus s. This is second form. This is will plus first form. Okay. I mean to say that if we write this verb in place of wrote, and if we write this verb in place of writes, then this sentence will be of past indefinite and this sentence will be of present indefinite. Now you can understand in a better way that only verb can help us in which tense the sentence is written. Okay. In other words, only with the help of verb we can identify which tense is used in this sentence. Okay. Similar, if we put this verb in place of will write, then this sentence will be of past indefinite. If we write this verb in place of wrote, this sentence will be of future indefinite. Okay, I hope now you can understand the definition in a better way. Tense is that a form of verb. I have already told you that with the help of verb we can identify which tense is used in this sentence. Okay, that's why tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. Okay, after the definition of tense, Now I am going to tell you about how many kinds of tenses. Okay, look at the board. You know very well that we can divide tense into three parts. Kinds of tenses. Present, past, future. Okay. After definition of tense, now I am going to tell you about how many kinds of tenses. Tenses are of three types: present, past and future. Okay. Each tense can be divided into four categories: present, indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Okay. Past tense also can be divided into four parts: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Okay. Similarly, we can divide future tense also into four parts: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Okay. In today's lecture, I have just told you about what is the definition of tense. Okay, I have told you about tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. Okay, after that, to understand the definition in a better way, I have written three examples. Okay, and in those examples I told you about, with the help of verb we can identify that which tense is used in this sentence. Okay, after that I have just told you about how many kinds of tenses. You know very well that tenses are of three types: present, past and future. Each tense we can divide it into four parts: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Similarly, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.